Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to the swipe files that we've now added into the Botsii bot. And this is all part of the 6-step system we've created here called the Botsii duplication engine. And if you remember, this is a kind of a quick image of this. And so we're going to focus here on how you can get access to swipe files, but also how you can use these as part of your prospecting in two ways. You can share your swipe files, but also you can allow your prospects to get swipe files for whatever company they're promoting. And where that content already exists, they'll get it instantly. So you can see here a bunch of companies we've already got this created for. Some of these companies are in the marketplace, other ones are not in the marketplace. Doesn't actually matter. That's the really cool part about this. If somebody is promoting a company not in the marketplace, they can still get these swipe files. And if they're set up, they can get it instantly. But if not, we'll create it within 24 hours and Botsii will message them back later. And it's all about how you share. So you can share both the swipe files with your prospects, but also you can share the content from the swipe files as part of promoting any company you're in. So I'm going to take you through this. This is obviously all part of the dollar deal as well. So you can get access to this when you have the dollar deal. And it's very, very simple. All you've got to do is message the word onboard to Botsii. So I'm going to go through this whole process now. So you need to find Botsii in your chat. If you're not sure where that is, just come and search in Messenger and you'll see it will appear in Discover down here and you can see Botsii. Ignore Botsii support, just click on Botsii and then this is in Messenger, or you may be doing this inside Facebook and just type the word onboard. Doesn't matter if it's uppercase, lowercase. It will do the same thing. Just put that in there and let the bot continue. So it's saying here, click here to activate your Botsii bot as part of onboarding the dollar deal. I'm going to hit continue. You can literally follow the steps. So put in the word onboard and just follow the steps. So here it's wanting you to put your email address in to verify your account, and it's tying that as well into your Facebook profile. So I'm going to put this demo email in here. And now it's going to check that you've bought the dollar deal. So there you go. It's saying that's all verified and stand by. Now, what you want to be doing is you want to make sure you've logged into your account at Botsii because you'll need 3 links here. So it says here, let's get your bot live as part of the dollar deal. This will allow you to share swipe files with your contacts and much more. If you have your Botsii affiliate links to hand, it takes about 10 minutes to get things live. Also, you also get a promo landing page, makes it easier to share. Don't panic if you make a mistake. Just keep going as you can edit all the inputs at the end. All right, so don't panic if you make a mistake. Just keep moving forward, then you can change it at the end. So I'm going to hit continue. And here it's breaking down what we need. Make sure you've got the following information before you start: your name, mobile, email, referral IDs for the Botsii affiliate campaigns, 3 campaigns. Botsii, the dollar deal referral ID, the promote Botsii bot referral ID, and the company setup referral ID. It says if you haven't got your links to hand, tap the affiliate links area below and log into the members area. So you can click there and just log in. All right. Now, if you've never logged in before, you'll have a it will ask you to set a password for the first time. If you're wondering where to go, just go to botsii.com and you'll see the members area here. We've set this up so when you log in, it will automatically go to the affiliate page. That way you don't have to go looking for it. It may vary, it does vary depending upon your phone or versus a computer, but it should go to your affiliate page and you should see these 3 campaigns: dollar deal campaign, set up company bot, and promote Botsii bot. And those are the ones you want to use. If you haven't got your password to hand, remember you can, when you log in, use the secure login code. You get you get a 6-digit code sent through. That also makes things easier to log in. Right, so I'm going to go and pick up these links here and follow the process. So just hit get started. If you're logged in or you've previously logged in, you can click affiliate links and it'll go straight there and log in as well. It shouldn't log you out. So I'm just going to put in my name. I'm on a different account here, so this will just make fun. So I'm just going to do that. And this is just a demo account, so don't worry about what I'm putting in here. You want to put in your details, so that's all correct. Just follow the script prompts on screen. That's all you need to do. It just explains it every time. I'm just going to go through this quickly so you can see the process. You only need to do this once, and you're just answering these questions. Now it's going, it wants referral IDs. Remember, it's referral IDs. It doesn't want the whole link. Okay. Some people make the mistakes of putting the whole link in there, and that causes a problem. So this is the referral ID for the dollar deal campaign. So I'm going to come along here and pick that up, just copy and paste it. So rather than picking up the whole of the link here, just click customize referral ID, copy it from there, and come back in and paste that into here. That's the dollar deal campaign. Next one for the promote Botsii bot campaign. That's this one. Come in, copy that, come back into here, paste that in. And the last one will be for the setup company bot. There we are. Copy and paste that. You can do this from a phone, but it's generally easier from a computer. Paste that in there. That's it. That's all you need to do. And you can make a note of this invite code. It's important, but it's not crucial. You can get it later. Now it's confirming your details. So if you did make a mistake, you can hit edit info. It will let you edit any of the bits of information that it's that's coming in. So if I hit edit there, you'll see it gives me the different options of what I want to edit. So there you go, it's listing out, including the IDs. Scroll to the right if you need to, and you've got that stuff there. So I'm just going to go and re-enter some information. I'll say yes again to this, just so it completes it, and that will just update it. There you go, it will just confirm your details again, and off we go. So if I go activate bot, that's now going to activate it. Now let's confirm the invite code again. Click get my link. Now this version of the bot will be a bot that shares Botsii. So I'm going to come in and show you this. So there's the landing page link. You obviously want to save that link. That's really important. I'll scroll down, you'll see this is where the invite code is. Depending upon how you're accessing this, you either follow these steps here, which when you click on browser, jumps down here. If you click on Android, will jump down there. If you're on an Apple or a Mac, or like an iPhone or a Mac, you can come straight in. It opens up automatically. So this is now going to load that bot up with the information that I've just put in, with the links that I've just put in from here. So that's all will be in there. So if I come in, I'll show you how this is done. Now, this is sharing the Botsii bot that's promoting Botsii, okay? So this is referring to Botsii. If you're promoting another company, then you'll have info there about your company. But right now, this will always be doing the Botsii one first. And you can see here, you've got access swipes is added to the menu. You only get this on this version. If you're promoting a company, it doesn't have that there. We don't want to distract your prospects. We want them to watch your intro and come into your bot. But on the Botsii version, you have this. So I'm just going to come here and show you how easy it is to access the swipes. So I'm just going to go, yes, definitely. Obviously, read the messages when you're coming through here. I'm just going to skip through just to show you how fast this is. And it says drop your company name below. So let's say I'm promoting Live Good. And it's now going to search that against the database. And if it finds Live Good, which it will come back and tell me it's ready to go and the content's available. And it will give me a link to it. So there we are. It says, boom, we found a match. Your 30-day swipe file is available. There's all the content I've got access to. If I click continue, it's now going to give me a link. And here's the content. What I can then do is come here, click file, save, make a copy. And then I've got a copy that I can even edit. If I click down here on the left, I've got short form content, long form content, emails, video scripts, image prompts, and direct messages. So all this information is ready to go. And I can come back here if I want, and I can request another. Notice too, it's now talking about the dollar deal. It says if you'd like to take your prospecting up another level, click check here. So what you want to do is make sure all these links are correct, obviously. So we'll come into your own bot and check it all out and make sure it's correct. So I'm just going to come through here, and it's going to give me a link. Tells me what I get with it. Click grab the deal. And now that's gone to the sales page. There's a short video there, about 4 minutes. And there's some demos. This demos for someone how they can use this as a prospecting tool. Demos the overall system as well, so they can see how this ties together. And if you come down here, what you want to do is just look down here. It says you've been introduced by, it'll have the referral ID. So you look there, it's Eric Paul 5772. If I come back to here and I look at the dollar deal campaign, there you go, Eric Paul 5772. So you can see how the whole thing ties together. Um, and is kind of all one and the same. Someone comes through here, buys this, they'll now go into your downline. And so you'll see you'll see here with the data that starts appearing here, you'll see that you'll have people, anybody that buys from you directly will be a sub affiliate. And then you'll see that this starts populating as well with names and what have you for other people within your organization. It does, I think, show commissions, 0 commissions for the dollar deal because we're not paying out right now, but it still shows them listed and what have you. Remember to put your payout details in too, but you'll see the numbers starting to populate there as your team grows, and everything starts filling in. So you've got that there. If you want to kind of go more, well, I will update some of the menus and things, but for now, just kind of scroll up. If you want to request another, you can do that. And that's absolutely fine. So here you can put another name in. So let's just put in, let's put in Herbalife, for example. I'm not sure if Herbalife is in there. So I'm going to put that company name in, let it check. Here we are. It says, it looks like we don't have Herbalife set up yet. Don't worry, we'll create the swipe file for you in the next 24 hours. And you can be the first person to access this premium content. We carefully research the best information to incorporate into your swipe file. Can you paste below the main website link for Herbalife? So I'm not part of Herbalife, so let's just go and find a link that I know will give the right information. So let's just say herbalife.com. Let's see if that's a valid website. Yeah, that looks good, so that's fine. So I'm just going to go and paste that in there. And we'll actually go ahead and create that. What the bot will do, so firstly, we don't use AI. We will go and research the best content, right, to make sure that the content going in to this process is solid. But we do use AI on the back end. So we've carefully written, developed prompts to create that content. Okay, so this is now confirming this is what you want. So I'm asking that for Herbalife with the web address. Stay tuned. Botsii will message you in 24 hours to confirm it's ready. What's really cool is you'll be first to market to receive this powerful free content. And this is a great way to add value to your network. So what we will do is we'll create that content behind the scenes, and then Botsii will message back 24 hours later. And all you've got to be doing then is getting access to your content. You'll get it instantly. And from that point onwards, anybody else as well asking for Herbalife will get it instantly, just like when I did this a moment ago with Live Good. So that's really cool. That library will then expand and grow over time. So effectively, if I come back to here, this library will expand and grow over time. And this is hugely powerful then as a tool for you as part of your prospecting, but also within your team as well. If you're promoting any of these companies, your team can come in and get access to this content. So what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to share a link like this with your team, and they'll be able to come in and get access to the content. Now, the second thing I'm quickly going to say here, if you are promoting a company and you've set up the company where you've got this Botsii bot set up to promote a company, so instead of saying Botsii here, it will say your company, then what will happen is when you're coming into the bot, you will find that it doesn't have this in at the beginning, like I mentioned. So when someone first comes into the bot, you'll have it will say watch intro and it'll say skip intro. So the access swipes option won't be there for any of the companies that we have set up into the marketplace. So what does that mean? Well, it means someone's going to come into your bot and they're going to access the content, and they can get access to the swipe files in a different place. So let me show you where they would go. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll shoot that on another video, so that way I can show you coming in from scratch, and you can see where that content is loaded. Essentially, it's in the main menu and it's on the right hand side, but I'll do another video on that just so you can see that separately.